Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous videos, we have already seen about the theory of functional interface. In this video, we will check whether an interface, that is a functional interface, can have equal and hash code method inside it. So what do you think? What are the criteria of functional interface? So first thing is a functional interface should have only one abstract method. That is the main criteria. It can have any number of default and static method. But what about the equals and hash code method? Can functional interface have these methods? Let's check that. So this is my functional interface called my functional interface. Inside this interface, I have one default method, one static method, and one abstract method. And this is a functional interface, right? Because it's having only one abstract method, and we have made use of this annotation at the rate functional interface. So here, the answer to this question is a functional interface can have a equals and hash code method. Why? Because these methods are implicitly declared in all interfaces. So even if we don't declare or don't have these methods equal and hash code present inside this interface, but implicitly for all the interfaces, we have the equals and hash code method implicitly present inside the interface. So the answer to this question is yes, a functional interface can have equals and hash code method. So remember when the interviewer asks you whether a functional interface can have equals and hash code method, the answer to the question is yes.